Hey, what's up everybody? I was trying to decide what I wanted to talk about for this week and then boom, it hit me. A whole bunch of missiles just landed in random bases like Al-Assad in Iraq from Iran, and we could be going to war, so why not talk about military pay? So today we're going to talk about bonus combat pay, officially called imminent danger pay, which a service member who is deployed to a combat zone will receive a combat bonus of $225 per month. If you are deployed for a full year, that comes out to an additional $2,700. Now, admittedly, that isn't a huge bonus for being placed directly or indirectly in harm's way, but luckily there are other benefits too. So also, your basic allowance for housing rate will remain the exact same as the rate of the service member's duty station, with a few exceptions like being part of an individual augmentee assignment, but that's just few and far between, so generally speaking. It is possible to lose your basic allowance for subsistence, your BAS, because your meals are being provided, but that isn't always the case, so take it as it comes. The big bonus is tax exemptions. Congress and/or the president can designate combat zones as tax-exempt areas. That means any income you receive while receiving imminent danger pay would not be subject to a federal tax withholding. This month, I had $288.43 withheld from my paycheck for federal taxes. This number will obviously fluctuate depending on your base pay and how long you've been in the military and other taxable income. But during 1 year of a deployment, I would save $3,461.16 in taxes at that rate. This exclusion is unlimited for enlisted service members and capped at the maximum an enlisted member could be exempted for officers. Also, you only need to spend a single qualifying day in a combat zone in order to be exempt from paying taxes for the entire month, which is just awesome. In addition to the above benefits, service members with a family or dependents will also receive a monthly separations pay, or family separation allowance, of $250 per month. In order to receive this allowance, you need to be separated for more than 30 days because the military sent you away. No, you can't just put your wife in another state and make extra money. Personally, I would rather see my family than earn a measly $250 a month, but I won't deny the extra spending cash. Now, when you are deployed, your expenses should plummet. When I was deployed, the only things I spent money on were some supplements from bodybuilding.com and a rare pack of cigarettes, monsters, or Poggy Bait, which is snacks. If we ended up near a PX installation or a base that had a PX, or maybe the PX truck that came around every now and then, which was always out of stuff by the time it made it to us, if it did. When you deploy, you can freeze your cell phone plan payment, which saves a little bit of cash. You won't be paying for your food, gas, entertainment, or much of anything while deployed, and some credit card companies and lenders may even let you cut the interest rate on your debts while you deploy. So I definitely recommend calling all of your consumer debt and lenders in order to ask if they're willing to drop your rate for the deployment. However, if you're a family man or a woman, you may find that additional expenses creep up too. So for example, you may need to hire a babysitter, deal with moving back home for some time, and there's a lot of possibilities and not all of them are super affordable. So just be sure that you and your partner talk through options and use this time to save as much money as humanly possible. Thrift savings plan deployment contributions. A combat zone is an excellent time to dump money into your thrift savings plan in order to maximize your retirement account. This is the only way that I know of you can invest with tax-free dollars and not have to pay any taxes when you withdraw the money either. Contributions to the Roth section of your TSP are post-tax contributions, meaning that they are not taxed when you withdraw the funds because you taxed originally. However, since you are exempt from paying taxes while deployed, every dollar that you contribute to your Roth TSP will be completely tax exempt. So let's look at an example. A 30-year-old soldier deployed to a tax-exempt income zone contributes $19,500 to a Roth TSP and $6,000 to a Roth IRA. The IRS 2020 contribution limits are $19,500 for the TSP and $6,000 for the IRA for personnel under 50 years of age. Now, if the service member lets their contribution stay in their TSP account as it grows for 30 years until they hit 60 years old, that will become quite a nest egg. Modest return of 5% will be worth well over $100,000 down the road, all of which could be withdrawn completely tax-free. And if you do 40 years, that number just gets even bigger. Now, if you have more than $25,500 to put towards your retirement while you are deployed, the TSP allows that too. A deployed service member can contribute more than $19,500 to their TSP all the way up to $57,000 total. Amounts above $19,500 cannot be contributed to a Roth account, so you would only get 2 tax benefits instead of 3, which is still incredible. So I would suggest contributing up to $19,500 in your Roth TSP, and then contribute $6,000 into a Roth IRA civilian, and then contribute the rest of the $31,500 or whatever into your tax-exempt TSP, the traditional. Now, the TSP has many wonderful advantages, but these become way more powerful when you're serving in a combat zone or tax-exempt status. You will receive triple the tax benefits because A, you aren't being taxed when you earn the money, B, you don't pay taxes on the growth, and C, you don't pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Talk about a huge win for the savvy investor. Now, this same dynamic exists to an individual retirement account if you're contributing to a Roth IRA. Definitely max out your Roth TSP contributions before a non-TSP IRA, because there aren't many, if any, accounts that actually beat the TSP as a passive investment strategy for long terms. To top it all off, service members in a combat zone are authorized to deposit up to $10,000 per year of their pay and allowances into a savings deployment program. The SDP pays guaranteed 10% interest per year, and it's a great place to stash some cash while deployed. The savings deployment program compounds your interest quarterly at a guaranteed 10% return annually. You can deposit money into the SDP out of another fund, which means you could fund the entire $10,000 upon opening the account, which is great. Now, this account is only an option while you're deployed though, and you would need to withdraw the funds as soon as you get back to the States. Long term, the thrift savings plan is a better option for investing. However, if you are able to dump $10,000 into the SDP at the beginning of a deployment and reap the guaranteed interest, that's a great way to protect your short-term downside risk. Now, the bottom line is this: deployments can kill you, but they can also make you rich. Don't forget to subscribe.